Guys, I recorded an ES. It's in Alabama and Georgia, so I don't think you get a focus on here. If I can get a focus. I'm doing my location. See if what counties are to put. Hopefully not Clayton County. It's a warning. Oh, it is say Clayton County. There's gonna be a tornado watch. And stuff. Just severe. I know it's gonna catch one on Fox. Eventually. Yes, no, from the Fox. He just stores it at a national weather service. A severe thunderstorm warning for the countries of Jasper and Puna in Georgia until 3:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm warning for the countries of Glenburn and Randolph in Alabama until 3 a.m. Tornado watch for the countries of Glenburn and Randolph in Alabama. And for the countries of Banksboro, Butts, Carroll, Clark, Clayton, they said Clayton, Cobb, Calder, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Greene, Quinton, Hall, Harrison, Hurd, Henry, Jackson, Jasper, Lamar, Madison, Meriwether, Morgan, Newton, Oni, Duba, Potting, Pike, Polk, Putahan, Rockdale, Spending, Tunes, you get it. They're repeating it. Guys, if you live in Georgia, I recommend getting Fox 5 because you may want to be safe out there. Be safe out there, guys.